Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're going to take you to the beautiful Market Common right down here in Myrtle Beach. Let's go check it out.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
And we're going to show you how to get there. We're coming up on the stoplight.
All right, now this is the very start of the Strand on the south end of Ocean Boulevard. We're heading north, but we're coming from the south.
Right there to your left, you're going to see the airport. And you see the big Market Common. And that's where we're going to take you today.
And the reason we're showing you how to get here is because a lot of people are unfamiliar with the Market Common, even though millions of people come each year.
That's right. And folks like my dad, he's like, wow, he didn't even know that the Market Common existed. So whenever he came back here, he was so amazed. Right here, as you can see all these beautiful houses.
And this is the residential area.
That's right. This is the Market Common. This is the beginning of it.
You can shop, you can play, you can live, and you can stay.
A lot of entertainment goes on down here. They have a lot of festivals, and this is beautiful down here for Christmas. They have all the beautiful houses dressed up, and if you love looking at Christmas lights, this is the place that you'll want to come during Christmas. And for those of you who like to start your shopping early, you can also come and, like you said, eat, dine, and shop. And we're going to take you smack dab in the middle. So we also want to show you there is free parking. There's parking all around, and there's a parking garage, which we're going to go to right behind the Nacho Hippo. So any of these, Never Street and all that we just passed, you can turn down any of those if you would like.
So there is parking right here.
Free parking. So there's 3 levels to the parking garage, and they also have an elevator right over here.
The elevator?
That's right. And there is an area over to the left that will take you out to the Nacho Hippos. And then this leads you out to the main street where you're going to find all the shops and restaurants. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
So this is something new to the Market Common area. And if you have those cool teenage kids, this will be a good place for a photo op.
That's right.
And there's several photo ops around Market Common. They have beautiful fountains and everything. Now, isn't that beautiful? Let's take a walk down here, and then we're going to go across the street and show them some of the fountains and everything.
So inside the Market Common here, you'll find shops, outdoors, restaurants, beauty, all kind of things. And here is a map. So here's your Grand 14 Theater, bowling alley, 810 bowling alley, all kind of great stuff here. There's a resident up there, I do believe. Looks like a bike up on this balcony.
Oh, she's beautiful. I love mermaids. And here's another great photo op. They even have something for the very picky eaters. This place is very healthy. Check it out. They have a Bath and Body Works and Southern Living. And if you sat out on that hot beach and got sunburned and you're looking for some shade while shopping, well, here you go. A nice little patio area with these cute little fancy umbrellas. What lady wouldn't like to sit under that? They also have a play area for the children. Uptown, downtown, in Myrtle Beach. They have condos up top that people rent out. And I'm sure there's a bunch of Airbnbs in here if you check them out. It's just a neat, fancy atmosphere. There's the fountain. Alrighty, and you will have to check their website, but every once in a while, or so very often, they have a farmer's market where they have vendors, arts, and crafts out here. So basically, it's just an arts and crafts little market right here in the Market Common. They also have the New Year's Eve ball drop right here that is sponsored by all the businesses in the area. And that is located right there. But you better get out here early because this place will fill up fast. And here's a beautiful place for a restaurant or a venue. So if anybody's looking to open up a business, here's a great idea. Where you can book weddings and baby showers and, you know, any type of event, maybe anniversaries or 50th birthday parties. And that's also, if we can pay them back from the street, you'll have to get out there. And there's also a top floor as well.
Let's see.
And if you're looking for somewhere to take your mom or your grandmother, Tupelo Honey is an absolute great brunch place. Very bougie, and they will absolutely love you for it. They have mimosas, all your specialty coffees, and their food is out of this world delicious. I'm telling you, they'll love you for it. That's one of Beatbox's favorite restaurants. He loves that place. And we did do a full video on that, so you may want to check it out. And there's one of my favorite places, the sweet Thai lettuce wrap. It's an appetizer, but there is enough to feed 2 or 3. That thing is so good, y'all definitely need to try it out. It is at the King Street Grill, and that's delicious. So check it out.
So they've got multiple restaurants, dining, all kind of options. Everything from Tex-Mex, Chinese.
Oh, they even have an elegant pet store.
On the streets, you'll find all kind of little
Shops.
Yeah. Tea bars.
Yeah, and they even have the
Italian.
bubble tea.
Yeah, Italian kitchen.
They also have parking around the areas, so you don't have to park in the parking garage. There's Barnes & Noble. And they even have adventure for children, children's museum. So look at there. They also have nice comfy little benches that you can sit at throughout the whole entire market common.
Yum.
What you looking at, Beatbots? Oh yes, and there's even a cold stone up here. We were saving that for later.
Ha.
And like I said, beautiful photo ops. And they have a little bit of the history of the beach.
On these back streets here, you'll find dance studios, yoga, all kinds of little shops like your summer camps, nails, salons, and
Even the little paint studios where you can come and have wine and paint with your girlfriends or your spouse.
right. So what we'll do is we'll take a drive real quick to show you the back roads.
Because it's hot.
Well, there you have it. There was a look at Market Common right here in Myrtle Beach. We hope you enjoyed this video. This is a great place where you can shop, eat, dine, and do a lot more. And kids have fun too, so it's very family friendly. If you found this video helpful, how about give it a thumbs up so it helps support the channel. Subscribe to this channel so you can learn what's going on and you'll know what's happening around the beach. And if you click that bell, it'll alert you to new videos that we post, and we post them weekly. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep beaching.
And we'll see you in the next video. And gentlemen, if you're trying to get in touch with those ladies and they're just not answering their phone, well, there's no reason, because there's time.
That's crazy.
They also have the New Year's, why can't I say that? They also have the New Year's Eve draw bop right here.
What kind of bop? What?
New Year's Eve ball drop.
Did you say draw bop?